everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿.com. I've got another nice little Hijet here. This one's in nice bright orange colour. I think it looks well, and the paintwork's in nice condition. It's got some lift up springs on it there and some small lift up blocks in the back, so it's been lifted probably about an inch or so. Not a big lift, but you could put some slightly bigger wheels on and go a bit more off-road, some more chunky tyres. You can see that the drop sides are clean. It's got some stickers on it, Advan, but not damaged or scratched. It's been looked after pretty well. It's done about 8,500 kilometers. It's not very much, about 5,000 miles, so it hasn't been used very hard at all. I should say that this is a 2017 year vehicle, 660cc. It's an automatic 2 or 4-wheel drive. This is being sold in the United States for off-road use only. This is only designed to be used off the road, on hunting, on the property, on the farm, vineyard, golf course, wherever you want to use this, but it's not for road use. That's what the vehicles are being sold for. So there we are, 8,900, I beg your pardon. So it's about 5,500 miles it's done, not too much. It's got air conditioning. It's a bit warm here today, and that's working nicely, blowing cold air. Got a heater as well, so you're protected inside the cab if you want to warm yourself up in the winter. It's totally enclosed, so you can keep dry as well. Automatic transmission, as I mentioned. Four-wheel drive, you switch it on there, press that button, four-wheel drive light comes on the dashboard. Now all four wheels drive. You turn it off and just drive normally around on the road. Just save a bit of petrol. Cigarette lighter. All in pretty good condition and pretty smart looking as well. Nice colour, this one. So this one's going to be shipped out pretty soon. If you like to buy one of these for use in the United States, if you want to buy this one like this, or you think you can distribute these and make some money for yourself, contact us at 𝐷𝐶𝐷𝐼𝐚𝐴.com. have a look at the website, and there's a lot of more information on there. Thanks again for watching.